Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And today I'm going to be unboxing the MOVO VXR10 Pro. Alright, so my Canon G7X Mark II does not come with a 35mm jack. I'd have to buy a separate adapter to attach to this to plug the microphone in. So before you heard my audio from the camera, and now you hear my audio from the iPhone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 35mm jack on my iPhone to test the microphone out. So you get to hear the audio from a camera, an iPhone, and now the microphone on the iPhone. Okay, so earlier I was using my Canon G7X to film top down with a built-in microphone, and then I switched my camera angles to my desk when I was using my iPhone, and now I'm currently using the MOVO VXR10 Pro on my iPhone. And if you can hear a difference, please leave in the comment section below and let me know what you think. And also, whenever you do switch from a camera to a phone, don't forget to switch the wires too. This is for the camera. Do not make the mistake of using a camera wire in your smartphone because you won't hear a difference. Pro tip. Hopefully that's a pro tip. But yeah, let's do a little microphone test for you guys. Hi, shishai. This is LAKEY Fanatic. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.